Now, taking up the first element of the marketing mix, that is a product. Now, what is a product? Product, it is nothing else but it is a form of utility. Product can be defined as what the buyer gets in return of the money that he has paid, right? Now, it could be, product could be a tangible or it could be an intangible product. When we talk about a tangible product, it is something like this pen. It is a tangible product, something that can be seen, touched and felt. Intangible product would be like a service. You go to a restaurant, right? You have food over there, the way you are served. Okay, that is a service that they're providing. You go for a movie, that's a service. That there also you've bought a movie ticket, right? You've watched the movie, it's over. That's an intangible product. Clear? So, a product is just a bundle of utilities involving product features and accompanying services, right? Coming to the levels of product, right? Number one being the first level of the product is the core benefit. The core benefit or the core need that the customer seeks to satisfy by buying that product, right? For example, if I'm buying a connection for, let's say, Tata Sky, okay? So my core benefit is that I should be able to get huge number of channels, a variety of channels. That is what I'm looking at, right? Then expected product, that's the core benefit is variety आ जाए मेरे पास, ठीक है? Because जब तक मेरे पास केबल कनेक्शन है तो मेरे पास इतनी वैरायटी नहीं है चैनल्स की, right? तो मेरे को वैरायटी चाहिए, that's the core benefit that I'm looking at. Expected product is expectation of the customers. अब कस्टमर की एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या है? दैट सारे HD चैनल्स भी आ जाएं उसमें, हाई डेफिनेशन चैनल्स भी आ जाएं, राइट? एंड all the possible channels, news channels, sports channels, right? Whatever pack you take, ठीक है? You have to take a different pack. There are different packages which are available in the market. तो आपको उसमें select करना है that whether you want cartoons, you want news or whatever. That is the expected product. That a customer wants a wide range of channels from which he can choose, right? From which he can tailor package for himself, right? Then augmented product. Augmented product is something which is beyond the expectation of the customer, right? Beyond the expectation of the customer क्या होगा? That wherein you are giving a facility that if you are not able to watch a TV serial at its scheduled time, you also have a feature over there where you can record the serial and watch it tomorrow whenever you get time. This is an augmented product. This is not what the customer was expecting. But this is an innovation that you've made in your product. Number one, to have an edge over the competitors. Number two, be more innovative so that competitors से product जो customers हैं वो आपके पास आ जाए. So these are the three basic levels of a product: core benefit, expected product, and augmented product. Right? Now, having understood what product is, that is the bundle of utilities, okay, that you are buying, and it is something that you get in return of your money. Now, products, basically we have divided the products, categorized them into two categories: consumer products and industrial products. Consumer goods and industrial goods. Now, consumer goods are the goods which are meant for final consumption, matlab which are bought for the purpose of consumption. They are not meant for the purpose of resale, right? For example, you buy this pen or you buy clothing, you are buying it because you want to wear it. I'm buying this because I want to use this. So I am the final consumer of this product, right? Now, consumer products can further be classified on two bases: on the basis of durability and on the basis of the buying behavior. Number one, coming to on the basis of durability. First one is consumer durables or durable products, right? Now, these are the products which are going to be used for a longer period of time, and they are generally of high price, right? And they involve huge maintenance costs also. For example, your refrigerators, your air conditioners and LCDs, right? These are consumer durables. मतलब एक बार खरीद के आप उसको काफी टाइम के लिए यूज करेंगे, राइट? और इनकी मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट भी आफ्टर सेल सर्विसेज आपको देनी पड़ती हैं. नॉन ड्यूरेबल प्रोडक्ट्स आर जिनको कि आपने एक बार खरीदा तो और 2-3 यूज के बाद और व्हाटएवर 5-6 यूजेस इट्स ओवर, लाइक टूथपेस्ट और योर सोप और योर डिटर्जेंट, यू यूज इट, यू कंज्यूम इट एंड इट्स ओवर. क्लियर? एंड नॉर्मली ये दे आर नॉट वेरी हाईली प्राइस्ड. Then we talk about services. Services are your intangible product, something you cannot touch, feel or seal, but it exists. Examples would be your banking service, insurance service, transportation, etc. Right? Now, these were on the basis of durability. ठीक है? Durable products, non-durable products, and services. Now, coming on the basis of buying behavior of the customer. सबसे पहले आते हैं आपके convenienced convenience products. Now convenience goods, what are the convenient goods? Convenient goods are the ones which are bought frequently by the buyer with a minimum shopping effort. मतलब उसके लिए जाके आपको दुकान से दुकान नहीं जाना पड़ता. They are something which you have, which you buy in routine, like your toothpaste or your soap or your noodles and all. So you don't spend much of time on shopping of these goods. They are called as your convenience goods, right? In contrast, इनके होते हैं आपके shopping goods. Now these are the goods which are bought after due shopping effort. These are the goods which are bought after due shopping effort. After you've researched the market well, कि दूसरे brands के कितने prices में मिल रहे हैं, क्या price में मिल रहे हैं, right? Then different sizes, क्या क्या इसमें features available हैं. एक brand में अगर let's say if I have to buy a television, I'm going to be comparing that कि अगर मैं LG का लेती हूँ तो उसमें ये सारे फीचर्स है, सैमसंग में लेते हैं तो ये फीचर्स. I'll compare and then I'll buy. So a lot of time is spent, right? Lot of shopping effort is required on buying these shopping goods, right? Then last comes your specialty goods. Now buyer puts special efforts in picking up these specialty goods because they hold a special value to the buyer. Right? It's not that these specialty goods are going to be very highly priced. They can be highly priced, they can be low priced as well. For example, for a person who's fond of collecting stamps, so stamp is going to be a specialty good for him. So although it's low price, right, but it has a lot of value for the collector, right? A new stamp in the market, so he's more likely to look for it and then have it with him. For example, someone who's crazy for cars, so for him owning a Mercedes-Benz is going to be a specialty good. Someone who's crazy for pens, for him owning a Montblanc pen is going to be a specialty good, right? This was about consumer goods. Now coming to the industrial goods. Now industrial goods are the goods which are not meant for final consumption, but rather they are going to help us manufacture the final product which we are going to sell in the market, right? Now there are three types of industrial goods. Number one being components, parts and the raw materials. The components which I am going to use in manufacturing my final product, or the raw material that I am going to be using in manufacturing my final product, right? For example, for manufacturing of sugar cane juice चाहिए तो raw material आएगा, वो industrial good माना जाएगा. Then comes your capital items. Capital items will include all the big machinery and equipment which will be required to manufacture the products, right? And last comes your business services, right? Such services, it facilitates smooth production. For example, your power in the factory, lighting in the office, right?